Lime. When selecting fresh limes, you want to make sure that the skin is not blemished or bruised. You also want to check for color. If they're dark green like this one, they'll be unripe but still okay to use, and have a sour and tart flavor. If they're a vibrant green and turning almost yellow, then the lime is ripe and will almost be sweet in flavor. Now I'm going to show you how to properly zest citrus fruits and the way we do it in restaurant kitchens. With your lime in one hand and microplane in the other, you want to grip both the handle and grater like so. You then want to position your thumb underneath the lime and perform this swift motion around its curvature. As you can see, my arm is moving back and forth with each stroke. I'll then go over any unfinished areas. And there's our zested lime. Next, we want to break up some of the juice pods, which will provide a more generous squeeze. So simply roll your lime against the board while applying some pressure. We're then going to top and tail our lime, slice in half, and then into quarters. I'll then remove this pith right here by angling my knife and slicing it clean off. I'll then proceed to cut the quarters into wedges. And that is our lime, our pile of zest and wedges, ready to be used when needed.